Here's how to achieve slow motion effects in Premiere Pro. Position your timeline cursor where you want the slow motion to begin. Hold Ctrl and press K to split your clip at this point. Right-click on the second portion of your clip and select Speed, Duration. Change the speed percentage to 10% for dramatic slow motion. For the smoothest results, click the drop-down menu next to Time Interpolation and choose Optical Flow. This advanced algorithm creates extra frames for buttery smooth slow motion. Note that Premiere Pro needs to render optical flow effects. To preview properly, mark your in and out points by pressing I at the start and O at the end of your slow motion section. Finally, go to Sequence in the top menu and select Render in Tau. This will process your slow motion effect for flawless playback.